All right, we're back. Today we're looking to try and get a $5,000 car. Today we got a 5.0 already. Definitely looking nice. 99,000 miles, convertible 5.0. It says Selby GT 500 on the back, but it's just a regular 5.0 with a nice interior. Let's get it. I was the high offer on the vehicle last week. Last week I got it for $7,000. They declined it, and it looks like this week they put it up. They relisted it, but it says exhaust cut. So I don't know if we're looking at catalytic converters or just mufflers cut off. From the sound of it, I'm gonna just say mufflers though. Yeah, MMR on the car is like 4,600. The blue book on the car is like 13,000. It's a 5.0 GT, so let's see what we can get this for. 2019 S5, phenomenal car. Looks beautiful. But out of budget for today's vehicles. What is in budget though is this 2018 or 19 Model 3. Mid-range, 119,000 miles. Ooh, with the white seats, looking nice. Yeah, it's looking badass over here. Does need to be touched up. Yeah, a little diffuser in the back looks nice on it. MMR on this one is sitting at 9,000, 9,500. Uh-oh, we got something scary in this one. Hopefully it's just a low voltage electrical system. Yeah, scheduled to replace low voltage battery. That's nothing to fix. Service alerts are looking pretty good. It's calling out the low voltage battery. As long as I don't see any scary messages from before, and especially any limp messages, then overall pretty decent. Or high voltage. All my JDM guys. 04, 90,000 miles, convertible with a stick shift. MMR on the vehicle, we're sitting at $4,000. Is it gonna start? It's not looking like it. We're looking a little dead. Completely wrong. Good. Let's make sure the convertible works. I knew I was just dumb. It's down here. Oh, well, I went and locked it. Now, I know it's hard to see, but that is water corrosion. A little milkiness. So we are going to be staying away from this vehicle. Our big beauty right here. 2008 Tahoe. The leather interior needs a good detail. Cold starts. No cold start. Keep it pushing. Normally I would jump the cars and try and get it, but today we're in a hurry. Now this is beautiful. 2021 Audi RS5. Bro, I love all the seats in Audis. These newer ones at least. Carbon. Looks like they just added it from Amazon or something, but oh, she's beautiful. Okay, but nothing sounds as good as a 2012 or 2013 Audi RS5 with the V8. Yeah, the notes on this exhaust are perfect. I forgot to record one of the last cars before that, but we did check out another Model X, and I'm hoping we can steal that one for a decent price. We didn't get the Tesla, but hopefully we get the Mustang. Not get the Mustang or the Model X. Both went like $500–600 over my budget. Now don't get me wrong, the Mustang's selling for $9,000 is still good. I looked on the book, it's worth like $12,000, but I was trying to get it for like 85. I went to 87. I know we set a 5K budget today. The MMR on it was 5,000, but the book on it, like I said, is like 13, 14. But yeah, that would have been a nice steal. We could have. This one looks nice. Hoping we can snag this one for like 2 to 3K. Actually, I'm gonna say 1,500 to 2,200 because I was not able to open the hood. It doesn't have a release. And I think I see smoke. So we're back after today's auction. Looks like a little bit of a failure. We went there for 30 cars. We came back with just one. I'll be towing it home shortly, but I mean, one good aspect, it was under 5,000. It was a 2011 Ford Edge 2600. So not too bad of a price, but yeah, hopefully it runs good. Other than that, that'll conclude today's video. Thank you for watching.